Come here. Come here. Sit down. Pray. Bag keep down. Ashika. Ashika. Maria. Come here. Come this way.
he bore a girl. Said the great poet Subramania Bharati, how correct he was. For it is the women of the world who serve the society. It is the women who create, nurture and nourish not only the children but the country as a whole. So what wrong in educating a girl child and thereby empowering her? So a little amount of care, a handful of warmth, a heart full of love for a girl child will make a big difference. So, educate a girl child, educate to empower. Allow girl child to study more. Every child has a place in school. Donate for education. Read for a child. Give best to the least. Every child up to 14 years has the right to free and compulsory education.
Let us not stop only with singing. हमारा धर्म होती है, हमारा धर्म होता है. Service to humanity is service to God. Discover the pleasure, creating serving others, making others happy, to lead the world. Sing among the men. What is service? It's nothing difficult or serious. Just extend a helping hand at the time of the need to the needy. A touch here and a full there with love and sincerity is service. Another factor which we should remember is to cuddle the cradle and not touch the tender kiss. Children have to be allowed to bloom into healthy and mature personalities. So, let them celebrate childhood and blossom. So, care for their care. Avoid child labor. Take risks for the poor. Selfless teaching. Fight for disabled children's right to education. Healthcare will get top priority. In child rights. Quality education to everyone. A vision of prosperity. Your vision is our mission. We are your eyes. We see for you. Thank you.
I hope that you enjoyed our assembly program. Thank you and have a wonderful connection. Today, Graviton 5C, D locate of 3D, S Sangeeta 3 of 6A are celebrating their birthday. On behalf of our school, we wish them a many more happy days of the day.